Hello everyone! Today we will be learning one of the art elements called texture. Texture is one of the 7 elements of art. Line, color, shape, form, value, space, and of course, texture. The way something feels is called texture. In terms of art, texture refers to the way something feels to the touch or looks as it may feel if it were touched. Texture can also be three-dimensional, which is physical, or texture can be two-dimensional, which is an illusion. Three-dimensional texture is a texture that can be physically touched and felt. Just like these pictures, you can see that the Lego piece is something you can feel, the rocks, and the cactuses. Two-dimensional texture is called visual texture and is the illusion of how something would feel if it was physically touched. In these paintings, you can see the different types of visual texture. Visual texture is either simulated or invented. Simulated texture is meant to accurately simulate real-life texture. This example of the shell is real-life texture. Invented texture consists of two-dimensional patterns of repeating lines and shapes. This famous painting by Van Gogh shows you the different lines he used within his painting to create texture. The illusion of texture can be in a drawing or in a painting. Do you think you can create textured art? Here are some examples of different art that uses the element of texture. In this example, they use different lines and shapes for their texture. This painting shows you the different stamps they used for texture. In this one, they show you the different strokes of paint. This one used different materials for texture, like sand. And this one, each piece of the pumpkin has a different type of texture. Thank you for listening today. I hope you now understand the basic element of texture.